Omo, my country people, una sure say these two people no do secret wedding, cause this is given. This is too perfect and so real to be just a movie. I mean, only me get eyes. Jesus Christ. See perfect wedding. Even the wedding gown is so expensive. This cannot be just a movie now. This is real. They don't tell us. We for come. We for so I should be see now. My guy won't kiss him bride. Zukani Maurice. You're too obsessed with this girl. Hello. Love is sweet though. You will see that my guy cannot even hide it anymore. He forgets say this is a movie. So my guy won't chop keys. Baby girl say, chillax my guy. We did movie set too. Hello. I too love this movie. Do you know how many times I've watched this movie? This movie is so perfect. You need to go watch it. Believe me, you won't regret watching it. This is one of the movie you need today. In fact, this night, congratulations, my queen. This movie just hit 1.8 million views within 24 hours. This is huge. It shows that people truly love this too. Like, they can't wait any longer. Everybody just they shout, Bikonu, Ekuna make it real. Me would have told them to be real one, Kwano. This is too perfect. I mean, my people waiting on a thing. Drop your opinion for comment section. If you never watched this movie, I beg, rush down to Sonia Uche TV and watch the movie.